Today we're making a southern staple, pimento cheese. We have the best cheese in the world from Tillamook, Oregon. Hey, but first things first, we gotta get ourselves ready. I'm gonna make myself another poinsettia. If you don't know what that is, that's cranberry and champagne, baby. What that is. Now we're ready to make some pimento cheese. Today's ingredients are, the main ingredient is the Tillamook cheese. We've got medium, 2 different kinds of sharp, and we're gonna put in about a half a pack of cream cheese. And don't forget the pimentos. You can't do anything in the South without Duke's mayo. So Duke's, we're gonna put some fresh ground salt and pepper and garlic in there. And let's get to grating. First, we're gonna grade some cheese. And you know what? You wanna grade your cheese right before you make it. Don't buy the pre-shredded cheese. You'll lose a lot of flavor. I learned that from the folks at Tillamook. We had a tour there 2 weeks ago. We had a chance to go to the creamery where they make this cheese. Thousands of pounds a day, and it's shipped all over. So, hey, I'm not getting paid by Tillamook. I'm just a fan. So if you wanna try it out, you can find it here in North Carolina, probably all over the country. Let's get to grading some cheese. First, we're gonna open up some extra sharp pimento cheese. We're doing this in the honor of the upcoming Masters. And you can get a pimento cheese sandwich at the Masters in Augusta, Georgia for $1.50. Now, let's do some extra sharp white cheddar. You know what I learned at Tillamook? Tillamook folks say that all cheese comes out white. The yellow is added for color. Now, make sure you stop so you don't put some knuckles in there. That wouldn't be too cool. Last but not least, we're gonna go in with the medium Tillamook, the brick. This is medium Tillamook. Look at that beautiful cheese. All important Duke's. Now, you may think this is too much, but this cheese is going to absorb it. So, you want to put in a whole cup of Duke's mayo. We always have another jar of Duke's. So we're going to put that in here. And then we're going to put in some salt. Let's crack some pepper. Black pepper is an excellent ingredient with cheese. I like a lot of black pepper. If you don't like that much, then don't put that much. Good thing about cheese, or pimento cheese, is you can keep adding the spices until you get it right. And then let's go in with some garlic powder. All right, we'll start folding this in. Try not to break your shreds up. Oh yeah, that's gonna be beautiful. Remember, this cheese will soak up most of this mayo after you put it in the refrigerator. If you don't put a lot of mayo, you're basically gonna make yourself another cheese brick. You won't be able to scoop it. Now, let's see if we can get this Philadelphia cream cheese. It's kind of cold out here. I don't know if it's softened up enough to fold in here or not. Might be making a mess. Oh yeah, look at that. It's gonna work out okay. Be gentle. You can actually do this with a mixer if you want. Some folks like their pimento cheese really mushy. I like mine a little bit chunkier so that you can actually get that mouthfeel of shreds. And then lastly, we're going to add our drained pimentos. And you want to fold those in loosely. They really don't add that much flavor, they just give some nice color. So pimento cheese, been around a long time, and there's 100 different ways you can make it. To make a phenomenal grilled cheese sandwiches with these. In fact, probably save some of this for an upcoming video where we're going to make you something called an ooey gooey. And you definitely want to watch that one. But it's going to have a lot of secret ingredients that you never think you'd put. All right, let's give this a taste. Cheesy, creamy, spicy just right. In fact, I could put some more pepper. You could put jalapenos. You could put whatever kind of spice or peppers you want. You do you, put whatever you want in here. This is the way we make it. Thanks for watching. You know what? If you like this, please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to see you help us grow our channel. And if you're a content creator, if you subscribe to me, I'll subscribe to you. Thanks for watching. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Cheesy.